We're going to recane this seat. I've already taken the seat apart, save a lot of time. These are the chairs. I'm only going to just show you one. I've already got the groove cleaned out, as you can see there, so nicely sanded the edges so it won't cut the cane, and we're ready to go to put the rattan in this seat. Okay, we were ready to get going with this. This is what you're going to need: a damp cloth ready to wipe off any glue, a pair of scissors to trim off, hammer to tap the cane spline in, stained knife to do the trim work. I've got a little wooden wedge here to tap the spline in at the end. This is my most important tool. This is something I made up myself 100 years ago. What you need to do is just find something that's not too sharp, nice kind of smooth edge around there with the metal work, so you can ease that cane in. Obviously the seat ready on a flat bench, and make sure that here's where the front legs come to sit, so I'm going to try and get that nice and square with the front here. So when I put the rattan on, here's the spline. You put the rattan over the top of the seat like so, and obviously you want to make sure that you got the rattan going nice and square with the seat. You don't want to put it on like this, you don't want to put it on like that, you don't want to put it on the underside. The underside is the rough side. The skin side sits on top. Get that nice and square, and I'll start putting the cane in. Okay, square the seat up, turn to the top. Okay, now we're ready to put the spline in. I've already put a kind of a 45-degree cut there, as you can see on the very end, and that will go at the back, so you can see where the front legs are kind of over here, the back will be here. So I'm just going to put the spline in just around about there and push it in. Now with the other hand, once I get rid of the camera, we'll just gently tap that in. Okay, and all I'm going to do now is cut this off like that. Once again 45 degrees, and that should just tap in nice and neat there, as you can see.